the financial capital of India, home to the wealth makers, a city that never sleeps, a city that never stops moving. For decades, Mumbai has represented the aspirations of rising India. With a GDP of 25.73 lakh crore rupees in 2025, Mumbai is the highest contributor to the country's economic growth. And that's why the elections to the civic body that shaped the life of the city assumes national significance.
Now looking at the electric AC buses, the metros, I would say yes, there has been an upgradation. Today I have been paying taxes since long. Now I think yes, as a return, the metro, the electric bus and public transport becoming strong in Mumbai.
New towers are developed, but roads are not broadened, and there are lots of we require more gardens for people for our health, and health related there are no steps or major steps from BMC for the health of common people. So that should be given more weightage.
Air in Mumbai, Delhi or anywhere is not pure, and because of that diseases या फिर dirty waters, clean नहीं होते waters हमारे, and roads, biggest issue roads, मतलब गड्ढे कितने हैं आजकल.
अगर आप मुंबई में खुली सड़क पे घूम रहे हो तो आपको पब्लिक टॉयलेट जो है ना बिल्कुल भी साफ़ नहीं मिलते हैं. किसी भी टॉयलेट में आप चले जाइए, इतनी गंदगी रहती है कि आप यूज नहीं कर सकते हैं, और यहाँ ये सबसे बड़ा इश्यू है.
There is abundance of water. You will see it is amazing quantity of water. If you go to places like Dubai, they do desalination of the sea and they keep water. Now fortunately last few years water cut has not been a major issue. But for a growing population, if we can start, at least we get an assured supply of water.
BMC, being India's richest civic body, its budget for 2025 was above 74,000 crore rupees, the revenue for which was above 40,000 crore rupees. Major revenue generating sources for the BMC have been the now abolished octroi, premiums and property tax. And this is where BMC plays an important role in policy making decisions. Decisions on property tax directly impact the housing market in the mega city.
Real estate in Bombay provides almost 55% of the revenue of Bombay, of BMC rather. So I feel supporting the real estate developers' ease of doing business is highly on the top priority list right now, I think, because getting approvals from corner to corner becomes tough, is time consuming, as well as it delays the process of redevelopment.
Shopkeepers, traders and small enterprises have ensured Mumbai's economy runs like a well-oiled machine. Will the new BMC administration ensure their demands are taken into consideration?
इजी वन वे पॉलिसी लानी चाहिए, वन विंडो पॉलिसी, जिसकी तरफ से कोई भी इंडस्ट्री है तो कोई भी जीएसटी हो या दूसरी इंडस्ट्री से रिलेटेड जो भी लाइसेंस वगैरह जो होते हैं वो इजी वे में मिल जाने चाहिए. और सरकार के जितने भी डिपार्टमेंट है, जीएसटी हो, इनकम टैक्स हो, जो भी एजेंसी हो, उनका भी पूरा सहयोग सारी इंडस्ट्री को मिलना चाहिए.
Mumbai houses key financial institutions like BSE, NSE, RBI and LIC. Key trading points like JNPT and Mumbai Port and Bollywood. Top corporate houses too are headquartered in this city, making it a financial powerhouse. Civic bodies' role to ensure living conditions that are conducive for big conglomerates and foreign investors to thrive is in focus. 2026 elections in Mumbai will be the first civic elections in 9 years. For over 3 years, Mumbai has been without a mayor. And the tenure ahead for the new corporation will be challenging, with some mega projects coming up that will change the face of the city. 750 crore rupees Central Park at Mahalakshmi Racecourse that aims at expanding the green cover in the concrete jungle. The Gargai Dam project that aims to add to Mumbai's ever-expanding water needs. A cable bridge in South Mumbai that will ensure traffic decongestion. 14,000 crore rupee link road project that connects the eastern suburbs to west. And a 4,000 crore rupee waste management contract that could make the city's waste disposal world class.
जो अफोर्डेबल हाउसिंग है, लैंड की कॉस्ट इतनी बढ़ गई है कि लोग कोई बड़ा बिजनेस यहाँ अगर करना चाहे तो एक्विजिशन कॉस्ट बहुत बढ़ गया है. तो हम चाहते हैं कि बीएमसी इसमें कुछ करे, लोगों को एनओसी लैंड का एक्विजिशन के कायदे इतने इमीडिएट होने चाहिए कि ताकि काफ़ी आसानी से लोग इन्वेस्टमेंट करें. ईज ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट शुड बी देयर.
No other civic election in India has been as anticipated and watched out for as much as Mumbai. Will the newly elected civic body give the city its money's worth? The writing will be on the wall on January 16. Bureau Report, ET Now.